Boom! What is up, guys, and welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. It's a beautiful day here in Western Tennessee. I am loving it. Got a couple days off work. Decided it's catch-up time. Yes, I'm bringing you some videos. This video, is a subscriber request. Wanted me to try one of the new knife sharpeners on the market that's all the rave, I guess. We got one. Yeah, you're right. We'll come back. We came back. They want to know if it works. We're going to try it out, okay? Yes, it's the rolling knife sharpener. It's supposed to be set for the perfect angle. You got 15-degree angle, 20-degree angle. This is magnetic. You stick your knife on it and you do the sharpening. The knife we're going to sharpen today, the OKC Huntsman knife. It's got a pretty good edge on it already, of course, but we're going to see if we can't get it a little bit sharper. It cuts, but you know, not effortlessly. Let's see if we can change that. Let me get it ready and we'll come back and sharpen. No, I'm not decapitated. Here's our base. We got our 20-degree, our 15-degree. I think we're going to start with the 20. Set it down. Like I said, it's magnetic. Just like that. That's all there is to it. I'm trying to get you to see. Alright, now your wheel has two different grits. This one's a little more coarse than this one, of course. Okay, you use them just like you use a standard sharpener. You go with the more coarse grit at first to get shape your edge. And apparently this is all you have to do. I can't really see it making a difference on the edge of the knife, the way this one's curved. But what do I know? This is what you're supposed to do. A couple of passes. Take it off. Flip it around. And go again. Like I said, the more coarse, it's supposed to shape your blade. I can see a difference in it already, just over where I went with it. Noticeable difference. So now you take your fine edge and you pretty it up, smooth that out. That's where you get your true sharpness at. Couple times, take it off, flip it. Back and forth a few times. Like I said, this is the finer piece, finer side. You can feel the shavings off of that. Woo. Noticeable difference, guys. Noticeable. Okay. Is it worth it? Yes. It is definitely worth it. Okay, right here it tells you, see it's got the 2 different degrees. It tells you which one to use to get which point that you want on your knife. Still, I'm still not 100% on this yet, because like I said, you can't really get the edge of the knife. Maybe if you, maybe like that right there, just bring it up some more, I guess, on the magnetic base, and just run it back and forth, get you the edge, the point of the knife, I should say. I'm not rambling on, I'm trying to explain, people. I think this is definitely one of the better sharpeners out there, especially if you're a beginner into this, you know, into sharpening knives and not a lot of experience. This takes a lot of guesswork out of it. Like I said, just a couple times. Oh yeah. Big difference, guys. Big difference. I tell you what, guys. That's sharp. Is it perfect? Nope. But that will do what you need now. That sucker's sharp. Do me a favor. Go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification button. That way you're aware next time I bring you one of these fabulous videos. And no, they're not all going to be product reviews. Like I said, this was a subscriber request. Mr. Scott, that's for you. I held up my end, you hold up your end, you know. Bam, bug. Definitely a pass for me, a thumbs up. I have a lot of knives, as you know from seeing my other videos. So this will make it a lot easier, a lot faster to keep them sharp. You saw my review on the Sharpen Spark, which is a great sharpener as well. But to me, that is a emergency sharpener to keep it in your pack, which is what I plan. Sorry about this. Is what I plan on doing with it, keeping it in my pack, because not only is it a knife sharpener, you know, you hone your blade, you fine your blade, but it's also a fire starter, and most important, it's a damn bottle opener, you know. But this one right here is excellent if you got a lot of knives and you need to put an edge on them and keep them sharp. It's quick, it's easy, it takes all the guesswork out, guys. It's a great knife sharpener. Yeah, of course, yes, I'll leave a link in the description so you can pick one of these fabulous knife sharpeners up. Like I said, it is a beautiful day here in Western Tennessee. I do have some honeydews to take care of these couple of days off, but some of my more important honeydews is honeydew for you. Got some videos for you guys to take care of, and other than that, I'm going to enjoy some of my time off. As you can see that right there? Yeah. That's our new smoker. We had to go buy a new one because the bottom rusted out of the Oklahoma Joe. But we bought a new one, and I must say I'm very impressed with it. 1/4-inch steel welded construction. That bad boy will outlast me. But then again, I mean, sometimes the way I feel when I get up in the morning, a candy bar outlasts me. But yeah, I got some videos for you. I gotta check on when turkey season ends. Been trying to do some turkey hunting. I was able to get out 2 mornings. Got out too late one morning and didn't really have any success. but I've just been so busy. You know, I work back on shift work, rotating shifts. Been working a lot of hours lately. Got to pay for that new Silverado, and just been crazy, guys. In the process of building a chicken coop. We are that far along. If you can't, I mean, not, yeah, I'm sure you can't tell, but pretty much all we got left now. We got to put the roof on. Got to get the roof put on, get it all shingled and watertight, and we'll be putting chickens in. So that's something else to look forward to. Other than that, let me stop rambling. Got things I gotta get busy and get started today. So be safe. God bless. Let's get outside, people.